emergency message from the Denver Police Department. This is a law enforcement warning issued for the Denver metropolitan area until further notice at 6:22 p.m. local time. This alert is being broadcast due to a string of violent homicides and bombings reported across the city of Denver over the past 72 hours. A dangerous and highly unstable individual is currently at large within the Denver metropolitan area. Authorities confirm that a singular suspect is responsible. The suspect is 49-year-old white male Elias Mercer. He is 6 feet 2 inches tall, has a slim build, pale complexion, dark brown hair, and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing dark-colored loose clothing. The suspect is known to exhibit erratic violent behavior and has been frequently observed speaking to himself in strange ways. The suspect has a long history of evading law enforcement and has extensive knowledge in firearms, blades, and explosives. At first encounter, he may seem calm, but is known to become violent without notice. He is believed to be experiencing extreme psychological instability. He targets individuals at random and has known location preferences. Investigators state that the suspect does not need to be provoked to attack. The suspect was last seen near East Montview Boulevard. Police remain alert while traveling in the area. His current location is unknown. Residents are urged to stay indoors whenever possible. Lock all doors and windows. Do not open doors for unknown individuals. Avoid unnecessary travel. If you believe you have seen the suspect, do not approach. Call 911 and report their location. The suspect is armed and is considered an immediate threat to human life. Protect your loved ones. More information on the suspect will be released when it becomes available. Thank you for your cooperation during this activation of the emergency alert system. Tune to local news outlets for more information.